Hello, dear friend. Welcome to this session. So, if we are active in these digital times, we need an app like Canva. Anyways, we need the app Canva. And now people are talking that we need to have PDF files. We need to share the PDF file with only relevant people, and then we need to edit the PDF file sometimes. For that purpose, we need separate PDF application like Acrobat, but that is not required. If you have Canva, that is not required. I am telling you, already you are paying for Canva, everything is there. So let me show you. So in Canva, what you can do is you can convert image to PDF, JPG to PDF, PNG to PDF, document to PDF. So this is an image I have created, and I can click on share. I can download. I can download as PDF. You can see. So this is the one thing, we can download any image, JPG, PNG, or whatsoever in PDF. Okay, so PDF. So this is JPG to PDF. Okay, I have downloaded it. Now, if I want to edit that, what I can do is I can upload the same file from my computer to here, Canva. That was PDF file, right? Now I am bringing it here. Now I have uploaded PDF. Now I can edit whatever I want. Easy. So we can edit PDF files in Canva itself. We can download any JPG or whatever to PDF. And now if we want to add more pages, we can add more pages here. You can see. If I want to add more pages, I can add more pages to the PDF. Now I have 3 pages in my PDF. Let's download it again as PDF. This is presentation to PDF. Presentation to PDF. Downloaded. I have downloaded. Now, if I have to edit that, again, the same thing I can do. I can open one project. I can upload that file here, this one, where I have multiple pages. And once uploaded, it will take few seconds to get uploaded. Now, there are 3 pages in this PDF. So first page, then second page, then third page. Now I have all the pages in this PDF, right? See, now whatever edit I want to do, I can do. I have edited this PDF. So I can put it anywhere I want. I can add multiple times. I can edit existing setup. I can do the alignment here. Okay. So I can do the alignment like this. Whatever edit I want, I can do the same thing in Canva. Now, the next requirement is sharing your PDF securely with only relevant people. So you can click on share, and here you can type the email ID. For example, I am typing this email ID here. This email ID can edit this document, or this email ID can only comment, or this email ID can only view. Advanced level of features in Canva itself. So if you want to share PDF with someone, then you can do the same thing only in Canva. No need to pay extra for any other application, normally as per the requirement. So now I want to give access, edit access, then I can give edit access. And I can click on share. This person will get the email and they will be able to edit. But if I want everyone, then what I can do is access level, go to anyone with the link. Now, anyone with the link options are can edit, can comment, can view, visible in search results, must have links to access. So if I want everyone to be able to edit, I can choose this. Anyone with the link can edit. I can copy the link. I can share with them. If I want anyone with the link to view, now they can only view. I can copy the link and share with them, and they will be able to only view this file. So this is Canva is amazing. I really like Canva. So many features, many things in Canva. You can work with teams, you can collaborate. Multiple people can work on the same project, same file. This is amazing. So tell me, what do you think about uh, PDF feature in Canva, PDF editing in Canva, giving access to other people in Canva? What do you think and what did you like most? And if you have any other questions related to Canva, digital marketing, search engine optimization, online business success, do let me know in the comment section. Stay subscribed, click on bell icon. Thank you very much.